Hi my lovelies, so I'm super excited to do my first video for you guys. I'm not going to start off with a tutorial this time because I wanted to do something super fun and a little bit of a challenge. But I do want to get a tutorial done hopefully next week. I just really can't decide what eye look I want to go for or what I want to do with that. So either comment in the comment section below or follow me on Instagram. My handle is in the description box. And let me know what you like, if you like any of those eye looks that I've done in the past, or if you want to see a specific palette. And hopefully that'll give me some kind of idea for my tutorial next week. But for this week, I want to start with one of those, my blank does my makeup. And since I'm a mom and I'm makeup mommy, I thought I would do my kids do my makeup. I thought it would be super fun. I'm going to let my one daughter do this half and my other daughter do this half. And we're going to make it a little bit of a challenge, like I said. We're going to have you guys vote and see which one you think did the best. And just comment in the comment section below and we'll announce the winner on my next video. And the winner is going to get to do an entire video of my full face. So I think it's going to be super fun and hopefully you guys will want to keep watching. I'm going to go wipe my face and change my clothes and I'll be right back. Alright, so my face is clean and I changed my shirt and these two are about to get started. So this is Makeup Is and Makeup Boo, and she's going to do this half of my face and she's going to do that half. And we're going to do one at a time, and Makeup Is won the rock, paper, scissors, so she's going to go first. So you're going to go wait for a little bit, okay? Alright. Alright, Izzy. So what are we going to start with?
I'm going to start with this palette.
Hold it up. There you go.
It's a space palette.
By Blackheart?
Yeah. And I'm going to pick one of these colors. There's Moon Dust, Milky Way, all these other colors that are named after space.
Okay. What color are you going to pick?
I'm going to pick this purple Milky Way color.
Show them which color.
This color right here. It's purple Milky Way. That's what it's called.
And what brush are you using?
I'm using this black brush that
came with the palette.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm done.
You're done with all my eyeshadow?
I'm not doing that side, I'm done with this.
So you're just doing one color?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to do this purple lipstick.
Okay.
And it's this color.
So just kind of a FYI, I let them each pick out their own lipstick to do and their own highlighters. This is the lipstick that Makeup Is picked out for me. So she picked that out special today. I took them to Walmart, and so that's what she's using. And what's the brand? Milani. It's by Milani. Alright. We're done. Are you gonna do like my eyebrows, or are you gonna do my blush? What are you gonna do next?
Next, I'm gonna do blush. I'm gonna do blush, but do you have a blush palette? Mommy?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be using this blush.
It's pretty vulgar. I got it in my March Boxy Charm. Oh. Interesting technique you got there, Izzy. I mean, interesting technique you got there, Makeup Is. Alright, what's next?
Next, I'm gonna do the eyebrows.
Okay, you're gonna do my eyebrows. This is a Maybelline eye pencil. Mostly because it was at Walmart. Oh goodness, makeup is, you're scaring me right now. Oh man. Are you done with that? Okay.
Next,
I like this lipstick though.
Next, I'm gonna do.
Wet n Wild highlighting palette?
Yeah.
Does it say what color it is?
It's pink.
There.
This one's Botanic Dream, and it's kind of looks like pink. This brush.
Okay, so this goes all over my cheeks? Yeah? Is that it?
Well,
Is there anything else? What else should I need?
eyelash.
I don't have any fake eyelashes. You want mascara?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trusting you with my eyeball right now. Mascara on your eyeball. Oh. You're getting really close to my eyeball.
Okay.
Alright, am I good?
Yes.
Am I done? Are you done? Can I look?
Yes.
Ooh, it looks great. Alright guys, so this is Makeup Is side. Makeup Is side. So, like I said, comment down below if you think Makeup Is one. Alright guys, so Makeup Boo is here to do my other side of my face. So what are we going to start with? This
The
is
lipstick.
Hard Candy,
Mm-hmm.
blue. What is the color? Night Queen, Hard Candy. And this is Makeup Boo's lipstick that she picked out from Walmart. You can use your right hand, or your whichever hand you need. Your left hand. And this is the lipstick that Makeup Boo has on right now.
Oh, oopsies.
What are we going to do next?
Your blush.
My blush. Okay, you're going to do highlighter for blush, or you want a blush?
This.
That's okay. So Makeup Boo is also going to go with the Pretty Vulgar blush kit. And like I said, this is something that I got out of the BoxyCharm for March. So hopefully when I get the new one, I can do a BoxyCharm unboxing, which will be fun. So, alright. Ooh, we're going a little heavy on the blush, aren't we? Ooh, that was lovely. Alright, now what are we gonna do? We're gonna try that highlight again. Make me glow, Makeup Boo.
Not working.
It's there. You can see it in the light. You see?
Mm-hmm.
You see it shimmer?
And then we want to do the other.
What other one? You're gonna use some of Makeup Is. Now she wants to use some of Makeup Is Botanic Dream highlight that she got. Which I'm actually really impressed by these Wet n Wild highlights. They're actually very blinding for a little cheap Walmart brand. So,
Yeah.
I don't want to say cheap. I
Now
want to say
that.
affordable.
Now this.
Now my eyes. What are you gonna use for my eyes?
This.
What eyeshadow palette? Are we gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills
Mm-hmm.
Prism palette? Mine's a little beat up, guys. It's one of my favorites. And what color are you gonna pick first?
I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay, so we're going in with throne. Alright, pick that up.
Oh. One side? No.
Now where are we going in? Hold on, let's
This.
Okay, now we're gonna go in with. She
Gold.
wants to go in with pyramid.
What would you
A little bit more pyramid. Alright, now what?
Now we're gonna. What is that cheek?
We already did the cheeks.
Now the eyebrow.
The eyebrow is right here.
Right there.
You gotta roll it up.
I didn't roll mine up.
Did it not come on?
No.
My eyebrow.
Okay.
Didn't get a lot on there. You break it?
No.
Is that all you want to do?
Yes. Now.
Do my mascara. You gotta be very careful with that.
Okay.
Don't poke me in the eye.
Yeah. So hard. Oops.
It's okay, we'll wipe it off. Okay, I think that's enough. Alright, are you done?
No, I want to do that.
You want to do more eyeshadow?
Mhm.
Alright, this more eyeshadow.
Oh.
Where are we putting this? And we're going in with the interstellar palette with the black hole. Am I looking up?
Uh-huh. Let's go to the bottom.
Oh, I forgot to do the bottom.
Let's go to the bottom.
Your turn's over.
And
And we're also going in with Universe, which is this blue one.
to make it more darker.
To make it more dark.
Yep.
Are we done?
And there.
Alright. This is Makeup Boo's side. It looks lovely. So, let me know in the comments section below who you think won and who you think should get their own video to do my full face. And we'll announce next week on my first tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video with all of your friends. So I'll see you next week. Bye!
Bye.